It's time for
Strike a Rate
with the USS KIDD. Happy Independence Day. We're doing another episode of Strike a Rate with a little bit of 4th of July trivia. Come join us, play along. All right, we have our first contestants. Now, relating to the 4th of July, every year the Liberty Bell is gently and symbolically tapped on July 4th to commemorate Independence Day. How many times is it tapped? 1, 4, 13, or 50?
Maybe 13.
Okay, 13 is your answer?
That's what I was going to say.
Okay, 13 it is. Well done. Which United States president was born on the 4th of July? Was it Calvin Coolidge, Gerald Ford, George Washington, or Abraham Lincoln?
I'm going to say Gerald Ford.
Gerald Ford, very close, but no cigar. All right, so the stars on the U.S. flag represent each of the now 50 states. The stripes represent the original 13 colonies. By law, since 1818, a new star for a newly admitted state is added on July 4th, the year after its admission. What year was the first 50-star flag flown? July 4th, 1818, July 4th, 1960, July 4th, 1912, or July 4th, 1959? (1818, 1960, 1912, or 1959?
Yeah, I would say 60 because I think
Because it's going to be the one after.
Yeah,
So let's go
I think it's 60.
1960? Ding, 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 you got it. All right, which United States president was born on the 4th of July? Was it Calvin Coolidge, Gerald Ford, George Washington, or Abraham Lincoln?
I know it's not Henry Ford. I want to say it's Lincoln.
Unfortunately, that's wrong. On July 4th, 1884, this famous American monument was officially gifted by France to the United States. The Washington Monument, the Vietnam Memorial Wall, the Gateway Arch, the Statue of Liberty.
Statue of Liberty.
Statue of Liberty! There you go. Well done. Thanks, guys. So, Presidents John Adams and Thomas Jefferson both famously died hours apart on July 4th, 1826. Who is the only other U.S. president to die on July 4th? George W. Bush, Philemon Thomas, James Monroe, or John F. Kennedy?
It was during a parade. That would be.
That's
That's a.
That's the guess, I think.
Yeah, we'll go with Kennedy.
Kennedy? Unfortunately, that's wrong. The 4th of July commemorates the signing of which American document? The U.S. Constitution, the Declaration of Independence, the Emancipation Proclamation, or the Bill of Rights?
You got this one. Declaration of Independence.
Ding, 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 there you go. So Presidents John Adams and Thomas Jefferson both famously died hours apart on July 4th, 1826. Who is the only other U.S. president to die on July 4th? Was it George W. Bush, Philemon Thomas, James Monroe, or John F. Kennedy? Want them again? George W. Bush, Philemon Thomas, James Monroe, or John F. Kennedy?
Monroe.
James Monroe, you are correct. Ding, 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 ding. Which United States president was born on the 4th of July? Was it Calvin Coolidge, Gerald Ford, George Washington, or Abraham Lincoln?
I'm going to go with Coolidge.
Coolidge is correct. Well done.